Drink it. Oh, nasty. Oh, how was it?
I actually got it in my mouth.
Oh, Sean, you want to try? Yeah? What's up, everybody? Where are we? Cancun? Sean was correct. We're in Cancun, Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico. I wonder if this is Pokemon.
What? Do you like this?
Why does this always happen to me?
Looks like Lexi opened up some ketchup. The ketchup went on her hand. After it went on her hand, it went on the wall.
I promise I'm not a murderer.
All right, who wants to help me with the room tour?
Me! Okay, so this is my mom and dad's bedroom. Here is the messy bed.
Oh, thanks.
So there's our messy little bed.
And then here's the messy bathroom. This is not messy. It's not
That easy.
And then there's us.
Oh, hello.
And us again.
Hi.
That's the shower. And I'm in my bathing suit.
Hello, Sean. Sean, show us the closet. The light turns on when you go in. Ta-da! Now we lock Sean in there when we want to have some peace and quiet. Hey, hey, hey!
And this is our TV, and it has our room service menu on it. A jacuzzi and a bed!
Yeah!
Here's my bed.
This
the
is-
messy bed.
So we had to get 2 extra beds. One there, and we put one over here. There was only 1 bed in this whole place. My mom and my sisters are upstairs, and we got separated.
And this is my failure of a shark drawing.
So we have 2 patios. One is right here, and the other one's connecting. This is actually just like a splash pool, so it doesn't even get that deep. That's it? So it's only like a foot high, right?
Yeah, I'm taller than it.
Oh! And today's backwards day, so we have to push a lot of people in the pool, ride a bike in the pool, touch somebody with a bloody finger that only has underwear on. That's the strangest thing ever. But that's our living room.
And that's my iPad.
This is a chewed piece of cantaloupe.
A chewed toothpaste piece of cantaloupe, nice. There's a dancing boy. Right here. Me, sorry. And then there's our little mini fridge and everything. They just keep restocking everything.
And your farts get worse.
Why are you covering your noses?
Your butt stinks.
Wouldn't it be cool if like every morning you took like a pill and made your farts smell like whatever it was? So like if I could take a cherry pill and when you farted it smelled like cherry that day. Where did you get that smell from? What is that? You're like, it's vanilla hibiscus mint.
It's like you have your own special scent. It's like cherry. That's Doofy Duddies.
So anyways, that was a little room tour, and then if we do anything here, we'll record it. But I was just planning on staying in the room, so. Hey, no more juice, juice box thief.
Guys, come get some sunscreen. Okay, close your eyes.
She did that to me.
Shout out to Mama. Look at Mama. Come here, turn. Go. Come here.
Yay! Hey, don't you take off that shoe. Another. The struggle is real. You got some new sandals?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I kept the tags on them so I can return them when I get home. Come on, boys, you wanna go surfing?
Yeah.
Alright. You remember you did this when you were little? Yo, you gonna do this? You're gonna flip.
Flip.
Whoa! Alright, Mike! Hey, good luck, man!
Good job, Chase.
Oh, What the? You gonna try again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job, Chase. You're like a pro.
What you got, popsicle? This is what babies do on vacation. And when you grow up, that's what you do. You get on the phone. No more popsicles. Yeah!
Got you rice, buddy.
Sean, get a birdie. Go get the birdie. Come on. Go get it, Sean. Go get it. Go. Go get that birdie.
They're like right after the seaweed, and there's a baby squid right next to it hiding.
Really?
This is kind of nasty, right? Oh, this is kind of gross.
This is the mushy part.
Oh, it feels really gross.
What does it feel like?
So smooshy.
It feels like smooshy.
The ocean in Cancun is disgusting. At least over here.
That's why they have tractors every day to like get, ew,
We're like legit. Ew!
This is where we left
I just stepped in duty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is nasty.
This is where our sewers lead to. It's gone.
The sewers?
all the sewers lead here. Okay, it's gone right now. We're in the clear, but looks like we're gonna cross over it again.
Why are the beaches so nasty?
Why is there no blue water here?
This is the Long Island Sound. Oh, I just stepped in something.
Water feels okay here. I don't see any shark fins, except for one right there.
I've been in a dirty ocean before.
Never been in a dirty ocean before? Oh, I can see the sand now. Yay, it's no more junky water. We're in the ocean of pee-pee.
The hotel has stairs, so your babies will fall. The beach has lots of seaweed, so you know you're good on nutrition.
And there's some crazy birds over there saying what's up.
Oh yeah, there's crocodiles at this resort.
It's in the ocean.
Squids in the
So
ocean.
far, I'm thinking we should have went somewhere else.
Let's go take a picture with the boydie. Let's see who's the first one that can make a bird fly away.
We're going to see just how close we can get to the bird.
Baldy, hello, hi.
Did that one just poop? I just caught that on camera, I think. Dude, that one just pooped in the ocean and I got it on camera. Oh, little fishies.
Stand on the poopy platform.
Let's go jump.
Yay!
He wants me to pick him up, but he's all wet. I'm not wet up here. So I just hold his butt, hold his shirt. Oh no, we're walking back in the net.
Oh no!
You know why you don't swim in the dark area?
Why?
Simba's father taught me about that. Never go to the dark area.
Oh yeah, I think I heard that.
Because there's hyenas in the dark area. Look!
Yeah, oh, there's one right there.
No, not right there. This one right.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Throwing some.
Skittles. Meep meep. I've never seen this on a beach. Come here, birdie. Oh. They come back here. They come here. Oh my gosh. It's ew. It's ew. Ooh, ooh. You want to see ew? You not scared? Whoa, you did that? Drink some sand, Chase. Drink it. Oh, nasty. Oh, how was it?
I actually got it in my mouth.
Oh, Sean, you want to try? Yeah? No. Chase, if you were a witch, you'd be a sandwich right now. Nasty. You gonna drink it? Ah.
Okay guys, so if you eat a lot of junk food, you will get very sick. Right? Hello, hello, hello. And there's a naked dude again.
Hey, I'm not naked.
Not you, Sean.
Oh, okay.
Sean the naked dude.
Hey, what are you doing over there? Are you eating that? Where are you going?
Hey.
To the ink place? Yeah.
Hey, Sean, you came back for more bacon soup, eh?
Bring it.
Where are you going? You can't eat that. Ew! Ew! Oh no! Help him up! Oh, good boy. Help him! Come on, Sean, help!
Ow, ow.
What? What?
Sean, bring my finger.
No, you no bite Chase. He's not a Baba. Let me see. Go say sorry to Chase. Any day now. Say sorry to Chase. Say sorry to Chase. Oh, you're good boy. Yay! Sean, good boy. Sean, you have good manners.
Yeah.
You wanna fight, mommy?
Wanna fight?
You wanna fight?
No, what?
Revenge! He helps everybody out when they fall.
Can you put that back?
You're a good boy, Sean. Don't turn out to be like us. You gonna get your hair done?
That's him?
Whoa. Oh my goodness.
You want more? More?
Oh. Look at your hair. You can't get me. Give me back my hat! That's right. Yeah, give me back my hat. Give it back. What are you doing?
Sean.
You did that?
Buddy.
No, don't play in it. Why you do that? Clean it. Clean it. Shondarelli, Shondarelli. Do the dishes, Shondarelli. Look, Michael Phil, come on. You gotta help. You're the only one that knows how to pick people up. Help. Wait a minute. Hold on, let me see.
Yeah, Mike, you're definitely like letting poop sit on your back right now.
On my back?
A little bit. What is that, your house?
Yeah, I made it.
This should totally just be like Sean's bed. Where's Sean? Sean!
Where are you, bud?
Peekaboo! Don't break it. No.
I actually got all these Coca-Cola cans. We want to pour them in the jacuzzi and have a Coca-Cola jacuzzi bath tomorrow. That's the end of day one.
We didn't really do anything.
The only thing we really did all day was eat, just drink a little bit, and then also drink a little bit more. Now we're gonna go to bed, wake up, and do the same thing all over again, girl!
Never mind, this dumb truck is sweet, but I need a girl to ride with me. This girl's so cute, I wanna scratch her face. Conk said I stink, I said what you say. Then I pushed the king and then ran away. Ha! I grabbed a sword to fight him off, then sliced my dad just to show him who's boss. Slash, gash, dice and swipe.